grab him.
Wow, that's what we come up here for. Right there. Some fish like that. Man, it's a nice fish. Gotta be in the 28-inch category. That's what we've been looking for. We popped it real good. We found a nice spot here. After everybody's pretty much gone home. It's an hour before sunlight or so. Rainy River, Wigwam Lodge. Thanks, Tom Briggs. You gave us this spot, put us on fish. Now we got a beauty trophy.
Alright.
Put that one back. Yeah, nice fish. Just switched to twister tail, blue pearl twister tail. And I've got on a nice run right here, including that big one, by switching to a tail. Where earlier today we were going as small as possible. We're using the smallest minnows with small jigs with no tails tipped to them whatsoever. That little tail helped us catch that fish right there, and hopefully a couple more.